Hey guys, we got an unboxing video for the SX-2 Alpine HD spotting scope. I did not order this. This was a gift, so I have no clue what to expect. So let's get into it. If I can get it out of the sleeve. All right. Let's flip it upside down. Had the box upside down. Maybe. Okay. So in the lid, I've got the manual. Looks like a cleaning cloth for the lens. Tension straps. And looks like a protective cover for the scope itself. All right, remove the foam. Oh, geez, that thing's This is huge. Okay, there it is. It's got a thread hole so you can mount it to like a tripod or something. I've got one I'm going to test out. Hopefully it fits. Let's see, we've got easy adjustment up by the eyepiece for focusing. Not sure what that is. Actually, that might be a set screw. Ah, so that moves. Interesting. Okay. Comes with a protective lens cover on both sides. Set that up here. See if there's anything else in the box, which it doesn't look like it. That looks like it might be it. Yeah, okay, so the rest is just foam and empty box. So that is basically what you get in the box. You got your scope, retention strap, a cover, lens cloth, and a manual. So, all right, thanks for watching.